Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. We are back, finally. Feel like I was gone forever, guys. But we are back. Looks like I missed an interesting week, but we get to see the end of it here on Friday. What's up, everybody? Hey, Jordan. I do have my Blue Powerade. Blue Powerade play of the day sounds pretty awesome to me. Adrian, what's up? Good morning. Jonathan, what's up? Good morning. Charlie, Bianca, Rustin, Rick Rod. Thanks, appreciate it. Glad to be back. What's up, Discipline? How's it going? Get some music rolling. You ready to slap some pennies? I saw B-Hat yesterday, went nuts just because they canceled an offering. Trip was good. Besides the travel aspect of it, the trip was good. The travel aspect was not so good. Hold on, I gotta switch something real quick. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so we got delayed the first time on the way there. We sat on the tarmac for 2 hours with the baby in the plane. And then on the way back, we got delayed, then canceled. Had to wait on our bags for 2 hours. Then got another hotel, which they did not comp. And then the next day, we had to take our flight. So, yeah. Yeah, it was not the smoothest experience flying. Everything else was great, though. We went to New Hampshire. We were in the city of Boston. We went to Cape Cod. We went to Martha's Vineyard. It was Delta, but I think everything's jacked up right now. I really do. They were giving out $1,000 credit or gift cards to people that wanted to go to a later flight. So they were overbooking. It was insane. Hold on just a second, guys. I'll be right back. And I'll go to the screen share. All right, but yeah, it was not the best experience overall. Not yesterday, but Wednesday, got to the airport, I think, at 2 p.m., and we didn't leave the airport till 11 p.m., and we didn't go anywhere. So we had to get an Uber, go to a hotel, check in at like 11:30 at night with a 1-year-old. So, yeah. We did hit our 1,000 subscriber goal. So thanks to everybody that subscribed. Thanks for helping out. Thanks for who shared. Really, really appreciate it. We hit that goal. So I changed the goal, put it way out to the end of September for us to get to 2,500 now. So just, always trying to be better, always trying to get more. So I changed the goal now. We got a lot of time to get there, but we are over 1,000 now. So I'm happy. We hit that goal. We smashed it. So on to the next. Let's see what else we got going on. So TBLT. I got to catch up on stuff too. It sucks when you're away for a week. You kind of miss like what's in play and all this other stuff. So TBLT, I think, had a reverse split. And you guys are going to have to help me and correct me if I'm saying wrong things, because I have been gone for a week. But I think TBLT had a reverse split. Yo, Adrian, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. So, can't tell. could have swore they had a reverse split not too long ago. Okay, so they had a reverse split not too long ago. So I see it was announced in April. So they did the reverse split, and then they had an offering. And I guess when they closed the offering 2 days ago, now they're running. So I don't see any specific news on them at all besides the fact that they closed their offering. So that's always fun. But the float's very, very low now. So that's part of the reason. Yeah, B-Hat yesterday was just because they canceled their offering. It was like a Pets type move, you know. But Pets was an actual offering. And speaking of Pets, Pets actually went as well. So Pets went off of B-Hat. Just these crappy little pennies, or not really pennies, but Chinas, these low Chinas, have just decided to run, you know. So once they get going, you know, they usually move as a sector, so that you got Pets going, you had B-Hat going. Usually they're somewhat difficult to trade too, just because they have a weird action to them. But I feel like everything has the low float China action now. Yeah, so we went to Boston over the long weekend now. It's pretty much been a week. My wife's best friend had a wedding in New Hampshire, in Lincoln, New Hampshire, which was on Loon Mountain. It was on this big mountain, so it was really nice up there. But we flew to Boston, drove to New Hampshire, and then we came back to Cape Cod and stayed for a few days. Went to Martha's Vineyard, and that was pretty much it. It's like a little mini vacation, nothing crazy. It was more chill than anything, but we had the wedding in there too. Yeah, I put a picture of Noah. I think we were either at the wedding or on the mountain, one of the two. I think I might have put both. So B-Hat's getting some like strange program candle looking wicks. Yo, Fernurky, what's up? Good morning. Thank you, appreciate it. Glad to be back. Honestly missed it. I mean, yeah, I had fun on the trip, of course, but streaming's fun to me now. So, yeah, we'll keep an eye on B-Hat. I don't know what it's doing. It's making it look like it's going up to here, but it's actually not. It's down at 337. TBLT is doing the same thing, but it's doing it to the downside. So it looks like it's going lower than it actually is. I saw PEV was the SPI spinoff. So looks like SPI took their best quality, which was the EV company that made them run to 1 to 18 that one time, and kind of broke it off into its own company. And it got some crazy runs over the past couple days. It's been holding the 6 range, so I mean, if it holds like 580 to 6, it could still go again today. And Friday, if there's nothing new, talked about it before, things like to circle back around. So that's very possible. What else we got? MITQ. I feel like I'm moving in slow motion this morning. I'm so tired. Oh well, we're here. So MITQ is a share repurchase program. It's not big, 1 million. Yeah, 1 million buyback over the next 12 months. So that's why that's up. That's been the news lately. It's been either buyback or canceled offerings. Just nothing crazy has been going. It's just been weird news that pops up. RDHL. Looks like it had news. News a couple days ago, it looks like. Yeah, it had earnings. So that was earnings. Randa 150-ish. Came back down to 75 and now back to 1 again. Yeah, TBLT, I think that's like orders that are coming through late or something. That's not actual trades. This thing still looks heavy even after the reverse split. Oh, I just realized that I got the wrong. See, I'm just now catching on. It's 8:15 and I don't even have the right scanner up. There we go. My bad.
BQ.
Okay, now we're good to go. And I turned trade ideas up just a little bit, so you guys might hear a couple tickers hitting.
LKCO. BCS.
But I like to say every day so I don't get in trouble with trade ideas, this is delayed data. So you guys are seeing everything and hearing everything on a delay. Little MITQ volume. I'm definitely not antsy to jump into anything too early. It's on a Friday and I haven't traded in a week. Oh, nice. You like trade ideas? Yeah. And I can send you my scanner settings too if you want them. Especially if you follow the link. Absolutely. I'll send you the settings I got set up for pre-market and intraday. It's nothing crazy. It's just for small caps and low floats usually.
CLM. GNLN.
Let's see. Broda, what's up? Dude, that clam chowder is amazing. From Captain Parker's in Cape Cod. It's amazing. Love it.
Vito.
And I feel like even if you aren't the biggest seafood fan, you can still love it. Because it's just fantastic. I got that in a lobster roll. So good. And I get the lobster roll that's warm with the butter on top. My wife likes the colder ones, like the lobster like salad in the roll, but I like the warm one. I think I'm gonna go grab Dr. Pepper. Maybe help me wake up a little bit. There we go. Oh yeah, I don't know why I have Netflix up. I just do. Let's see. Where do you? Huge sale afternoon Wednesday. So right here is what you're talking about? What are you talking about right here?
LIZI.
I don't even know what day it is. What's up, AC? Thanks for being here, man. So Wednesday was the 22nd. So huge sale afternoon Wednesday, big cover yesterday. Yeah. So you're talking about this right here. Just sold off big and then pop back up. Oh, this right here. Okay. Yeah, and I mean, it's came off the bottom pretty good too. It had the bad guidance, which put it down, but I mean, it's holding these lows. Actually made a higher low now on the daily, just barely, but maybe it will continue up. But it all depends on SPY, you know. If SPY decides to dive, so does everything else. And that's the one thing I don't like that much about large caps. Yes, they're good. Yes, they're great long term. Yes, you got, you know, they're safer with air quotes around it. But then at the same time, you could have a great stock that is just going down because the overall market's going down. You know, you're buying at support, but that support breaks because everything else is dying. So it is what it is. Hey, Boba, good morning. What's up? And Dan, I missed you. Sorry, good morning. How you guys doing? You guys had a good trading week? I know it was a short week. You had Juneteenth celebrated on Monday, so it was closed Monday. What's up, Justin? Hey, Striker. Oh, I did not know. That was you. What's up, man? Welcome in. Good to see you. Snacks must be sleeping in this morning. He had a big day yesterday, you know. He bought his Costco membership. He went to the grocery store. He bought a vacuum cleaner. You know, Snacks had a big day. So if he wants to sleep in, he can sleep in.
CLM.
Hey, Jason, good morning. Hey, Ashton. Welcome. Good morning. Thank you. Thanks for being here. Yeah, it's a little bit of a slower morning. I have been gone for a week now, so I'm kind of out of the loop a little bit. Trying to see what's up this morning. I'm not really looking to jump straight into the first thing I see. Just getting a feel for everything, because a lot about the market is seeing it daily, and you see how things are reacting, and you see how things are moving, and where prices are holding. And when you miss time, you miss the feel of things. Sure, you can see the chart, but you kind of miss the overall feel. And that's something you need to get back affiliated with when you get back. There he is. What's up, Snacks? Just talking about you, buddy. I said you had a big day yesterday. This music, I need something a little more than this. So, you know the YouTube,
CPTN.
I told you guys I found a stream on YouTube that had copyright-free music, and I'm good to go, and it had great songs. Well, like 2 weeks after I've been using it, I went on my dashboard and copyright. Like every stream I've had, so can't use that again. So I'm back to using Epidemic. So I just need What is this?
Vito.
This sounds like a Tony Hawk Pro Skater song, you know, like I'm getting ready to jump over the pool or whatever in Tony Hawk Pro Skater 1. Bust through the glass. C-Bio looks good. Okay, let's look at C-Bio. Yeah, give me some ideas because I'm really out of the loop today. Dyson is very expensive, but their products are really good. We have the Dyson air purifier fan thing, humidifier, all in one. Yeah, C-Bio's actually been on a tear. So over 160 today, I could see it pushing higher. Absolutely. Bottom of the gap's 2. So 160 to 2 move is definitely in the cards for today.
BKKT.
Oh, really? Wow, that sucks. I think they have a warranty, though, AC. Yeah, Red Hill's been up. Absolutely. So, yeah, we're still kind of hanging around with everything. TBLT finally pulled back to down to where the wicks were actually going. Fiat's trying to push a little bit right here. It's up on the 50 on the 5 minute. I don't know how much that matters in pre-market though. Looks like it's up 31% from close. Yeah, MITQ 1 million share buyback up 50% this morning. So that news has been hot. So I think that's a big reason it's up. Grab, Luminar, and SNSE. Is that like a swing trade or chart breakouts? Yeah, Rev's a scary one too, Jonathan, because they could halt at any point and have like bankruptcy news that is detrimental. So it's more of a scout play. But it has been running. I mean, it's still up, it's still holding around. I'd say under 650, the trend's really broken. But these bankruptcy ones that start running are really scary to play because they can T1 halt at any time and just say, you know, oh, we're going bankrupt. We're changing our company to RevQ, delisting from NYSE or whatever. MITQ, a little volume there. It's holding over VWAP.
TBLT. Den.
QTNT just had an offering.
CLSK.
So MITQ coming up to the breakout. Looked great on the 1 minute. Smashed. So it's probably going to set up for the trap move. Go down here. No man's land bounce. Straight back up from a V to high day. Wouldn't surprise me one bit. But the 1 minute setup is now breaking. Unless they hammer it. Two big red candles on the one. Yeah, he was doing that before, Berkey, before the bankruptcy. Let's see if we can find a different playlist. No, this is not the vibe. This is not a coffee house or... It's so hard to listen to music on a YouTube live stream because they will get you quick.
MITQ.
Let's see what this is. Okay. Fresh 8:30 news here.
EJH. MITQ.
EJH.
EJH.
Property cleaning contracts? What are they, a maid service? Okay, so here MITQ is trying to pull the trap move. UU cleaning. Sweet. Blowing up the scanner on that. All right, what did I miss? Okay. This is the first time that I've had to remove someone from the channel. Just try this. Sex tender. Oh my God, it's hilarious.
RDHL.
I think that did it. I've literally not had to do anything yet and not had a bot come in until just now, so that's hilarious. Okay, what did I miss? Oh my God, that's so funny. nakedhd.xyz. BHAP broke higher.
Bark. CPTN.
I'm digging that so far. Let's see what it turns into. Yeah. Use code Mullins Momentum for discount.
OGI.
That's hilarious.
Kala.
This definitely doesn't fit the usual vibe of the music, but I'm digging it.
BTBT.
What about this?
Decor.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to find something else. This is killing me. What am I listening to? No, it's not. It's not gonna do it. All right, let's just go back over to the whatever I was on a minute ago. Well, there are the dogs. Didn't hear already. Yeah, we were rocking out there for a minute. This looks okay if we can get through 370 again. Come on. It's gonna sell right back off to my average. I went very small. I'm not screwing around this morning, trying to jump in anything heavy. Looks okay. I mean, 1 minute looks strong. Broke out of that flag. I swear it's gonna sell right back down to my average though. All right, come on, push up. Remember, it's like 365, I guess. I'm buying high, but it's trying to break out, so. Looks a little laggy for some reason. There we go, 10K bidder came in. Yeah, I don't like how laggy my matrix looks. So there's a 120K ask up here at 380. That's gonna need to really get shredded. Damn it, they pulled the bid. All right, got out. So just when we're getting ready to break out, the usual smash. And then they'll save it. So that follows pattern, follows pattern, follows pattern. Starts to break up out of the flag. Held sideways for a second, and then complete smash. Gotta love it though. It'll pull back, trade the range for a minute, and then it might go higher. That's why we go small though. And you saw I was up for a second. I mean, I was up 5 cents or so, but I was trying to ride it, you know, for more than that, you know, get a test at least of the high it just made, but nah. So over 380. Looks like it'll go to 4, but maybe not in pre-market. The bot followed you in. That's hilarious. Are you talking about right here? I mean, I guess, yeah, double bottom from here. Has this been in play? Yes, it has. Was this a sympathy to Baaaaaaaaack yesterday, or no? It's education. Looks like it ran Wednesday and yesterday. Yeah, I was actually looking at Redbox yesterday at 880. Like right here. And I didn't take it. I was on mobile. I was like, wow. So Redbox came back down and it was sitting right on the gap fill right here. And I was like, oh my gosh, filled the gap. Might get a little bit of a bounce. And it bounced almost back to even on the day. So yeah, that's still in play. I think that's very much still in play. It's not completely dead yet. Now, when you start dipping over to here, I think the play is overall going to be dead, but it's still in play today. And I hate that I missed that low bottom, but it is what it is. But it went right to this body and this body and wicked off of it. So that's important. Those are big daily levels that held. And it tried, so it bounced off at first, and they tried to fail it. They tried to shove it down as hard as they could, and they got the hammer candle here, and that saved it. That was the low of day. It's rough, but there's the downtrend line, at least short term. Let's look at like the hourly. The hourly looks head and shouldery, but it does have, I mean, clear support in the 850, 860 range. Yep, MITQ trying to pull the trap move. Gotta love it. Baaaaaaack back up to 370.
TBLT.
Looks like it tried to push up again right here 2 minutes ago, and then got a red candle right after, so it might actually pull back to 360 now. TBLT looks strangely wicky too.
Agree.
Yeah, I saw you, I saw Redbox was, the warrants were going in front of the stock the other day. Which is kind of interesting. You don't really see that very often. second.
ASTS.
The loving in my heart won't break it down. That we are through.
MDGS.
We'll try this playlist. Zendesk getting acquired. $77.50 per share. This looks like it's going higher, but don't really trust patterns anymore. Looks like through 320. Let's give it a shot here. Versus 315. Really looks like it's about to pop.
HEPS. Shaggy.
TBLT in the past, though, has been not so good to me. So might scale quicker than normal here. Gotta pop through this wick here. Oh my God. See, they're already trying to smash it down. Glad I sold half. Oh my gosh, man. You can't trade patterns anymore. You absolutely cannot trade patterns anymore. It's insane. Everything has got to be this fake out wiki nonsense. That's where I had to go right there. It just needed to break one more cent and it was going to go to 340, 350. It'll pull back down to 3, have a trap right here, and then shove through at 857 or something. So I am getting a feel for the action that's been happening over the past week. It looks like fake breaks galore. So that's what I was talking about, getting accustomed to what's been going on while I've been gone for a week, and it looks not so good so far. Trappy action continues. Fake breakouts, pattern fails.
MQ.
Good stuff. Good stuff. No 5-minute candles closed over 368 on B hat. About a minute and 10 seconds left on this 5-minute. Why does it keep doing that? I just want to slightly zoom out.
Is that a thing?
Nice.
I'll take one.
So it's either ads or bad music. So I guess we'll go with ads for now.
Need to show them.
You should. Mom! No, seriously. Let's set you up on Shopify. It's easy.
I always knew
SWBI.
you would build your own business.
Guys!
Yum.
When you're ready to bring your idea to life, build it on Shopify.
Sign up for a free 14-day trial at shopify.com/listen22. Shopify.com/listen22.
Decent bidder here, but he can always be smashed. 35K ask here. The The big ass is gone from 380. It was much bigger. Chopperama. Yep. You are correct. Thanks for being here, everybody. I've been gone for, a little over a week, but you guys came right back in. So I really appreciate it. Thanks for hanging out. It's Friday, a little bit slower day. Choppy action. Classic 2022 stock market, but we're here. We're living it together. All right, so this was going to close over the 368 level with about 20 seconds left, and they smashed it down to almost a red candle. So it looks like a pullback coming. If it breaks out now, I don't know anything. So it looks like it's trying to, but it needs that 5-minute candle close over 368. TBLT still screwing around right here. Appreciate that, Michael. No problem. I like doing this. This is fun for me. It's going to be so much more fun when the market's actually normal to a degree. We actually get follow through on things that follow through, and supports that hold, resistance that breaks when it's supposed to break, not just screwball action. MITQ looking absolutely awful right now. So they'll turn that into the top gainer later. Wouldn't surprise me one bit. Yeah. We can have Peter. If we can get Stash to trade for all of us, it'd be great. We'll just all sleep in and let Stash get up. All I can think of is the video of the cat slapping the keyboard. Yeah, he's up anyway, so might as well. What else is he gonna do? So TBLT pulling back. Classic TBLT style. B-Hat's still flagging here. I'm gonna give her one more shot and risk under 360. It's almost becoming like the process of elimination. Everything else is pulling back and failing. This is still flagging.
TIRX.
Oh my God, what is this? Are they really gonna smash this down? It's got nice bid support here, but they're looking to absolutely destroy it. $20, $40, $50K in bid support.
TQOS.
Come on, B hat. Perfect little flag here. Hold number 360. If they start smashing these bids, I'm just gonna hop.
ARTL.
Yeah, I'm out. So absolutely no follow through so far. Looking like a regular day in 2022.
Kin.
Where's Spy at? Spy's up over 380. Yeah, I mean, you can play the push through, which is what you need to do now after the flag is trying to break. But if you wait for the this trend to break and start pushing up this way, that's the next play on it. The setup, though, was to hold 360. Broke below 360, and now it's straight hammer with volume. So trap was set as per usual. This candle right here. $2022, baby. You're right. Worst year small caps I've ever seen. Absolutely horrendous price action. Small caps have been in a bear market since, well, at least not bear, but in a negative territory market since February of 2021. And the action has been trash ever since then. There is breakouts, there is movers, there are gainers, but the action has just been absolutely awful. You can about just remove every line on here, every pattern, every trend, and just buy where it looks like it's full dead and sell where it looks like it's going to break out. So I don't see anything worth even looking at now after that failed. So MITQ had pulled back, TBLT was pulling back, and then B hat went up, down. Now it's wicked around, still not going to close over the 368 level. And now we're coming up on 9 a.m. So, I mean, it looks like the regular action we've been getting.
New.
No breakout, no support, just trap and trap.
PEV.
Both sides. So 9 a.m. news comes out in about 30 seconds, about 35 seconds. So we'll see if we get any fresh news. If not, we're stuck with what we got in front of us. Redbox back burner, and then B hat, MITQ, TBLT.
SWBI.
So still no 5-minute close over 368 on B hat. See what fresh news we get. BCTX had their technology published in leading cancer journal. That's really all I see at 9 a.m. AIKI, new financial services subsidiary.
DTIL.
Subsidiary, however you want to say it.
GBR.
B hat back to 370. We did make a higher level here. Can it continue through though is the thing. Still struggling with this level. With nothing else moving at all. So this is the only thing currently in play and it's still struggling that much.
BCTX. QNRX.
Just breakthrough B hat. Come on. I'm ready to take a gain for freaking 2 cents here after the action it's been giving me. Maybe 1 cent. Couldn't even get 1 cent. Okay, that's fun. See if it pulls back now. Nope. Okay, so it's still got some buyers in. Try to be patient on it again. I'm in very, very small this time because it's faked me out so many times already.
Mark.
Just move higher. Literally the only thing in play. Through 375, it should go to $4.
XO.
Well, got out of that position. They threw in a 30K ask, and there's just 65K ask now. Yeah, I pulled that BCTX. What's up, Cal? It had their journal published.
MJ.
Or no, their technology published in a journal. Yeah, I saw that. Very, very, very thin.
AXDX. PHX. TBLT.
TBLT trying to hold on to VWAP here, 305. Yeah, that is super spready. Look how thin this is.
BCTX.
I pulled it up as soon as the news came out, and it was like 580 or something, 575. But it had like 200 on the ask. Oh, good old Zach's price target. Yeah, it looks like it is getting pumped right now. Way too thin to slap, though. For me, at least.
NMTR. XXII. New.
TBLT trying its best to pop off a VWAP down there. It's holding the 3 level. I'm watching it on the other screen. On the level 2 while we watch BCTX on that screen.
YVR.
I think it needs to get back above like 310 though. It depends. Sometimes I'll buy at the bottom of the trend, but usually I try to time up a break through. That doesn't always happen.
JAGX.
So sometimes, yeah, on the flag, I will buy at support to try to get to the top. But at other times, I will try to time the break through and just get the action through the break. So it just kind of depends on the play. TBLT up through 310 now. For it to have such a huge reverse split recently, it looks very heavy still. It's already got 23 million volume this morning.
BHC. TBLT.
So B hat looking worse now, so they're probably setting it up for an open pop. Not interested in playing this at all right now, especially with the action it's had this morning. Very, very ugly action. Tried to break out here, push down. Tried to break out here, push down. Tried to break out here, push down. Now it's going lower. Still no 5-minute candle closed over 368. MITQ looks pretty bad now.
For more than 75 years, University of Maryland Global
That's about it. A couple pennies on the top gainers. Probably from the moves from B hat.
military, reserves, their spouses, and dependents can qualify for the Military New Graduate Student Savings Program. Eligible students save
Did STAF have a reverse split?
master's degrees and
Must have.
graduate certificates.
It was
Find
like
out at
in the cents.
and learn more at umgc.edu. Certified to operate by SHED.
GRWG.
Yeah, I had to have.
CLVR.
JAGX. Yeah, JAGX is getting volume. Why? Pump. 200K volume. Looks like a chat room pump so far. See what I can find on it. Yeah, I don't see anything on this. The Carol Baskin. Was this the one that Carol Baskin, they did the thing to get her to talk about this company? Yeah, TBLT up to 320 now. Very slow. A lot of refresh in the ass. You almost can't even watch the level 2 on this one. You just got to watch the chart. PEV, let's look. Potentially. Let's see if it holds, 550. Red box in play.
New.
Yeah, so TBLT did break out of the downtrend. That's probably why it got the 10 to 20 cent spike there. Will it have follow through? Probably not.
XXII. Hippo.
All right, I'm going to step away for just a minute. I'll be back in maybe 2 or 3 minutes.
Dave. GNLN. MITQ. Head. SUZ. MITQ. DVGI. GBR. Grab.
All right, and I am gonna cut out just a little early this morning, probably 9:45, 9:50. We got our first baby appointment this morning for the new baby, so we got the ultrasound and all that at I think 10:30. So I gotta go get ready and leave for that. So we get to see the little nugget.
Tigr.
So TBLT had to break out, full fail break down. Now it's trading sideways, getting extremely wicky, very trappy, classic 2022. B hat had a knife, but it never went lower, so this could be the trap move for it right here. Needs to hold this 343 level. If B hat pops it open, you gotta watch pets because that was the sympathy yesterday.
QTNT.
Daily levels on B hat 415 to 420. It's 200.
DTIL.
So that'll be our level to watch. It's also the bottom of a very, very small gap here. 420.
JATX.
So we will see what action we get on that.
News. XXII. RDBX. Ver.
You guys see anything else? Everything I've looked at has failed the move it should have moved so far. So I'm not liking the action
10.
as of pre-market. We'll see how open is. TBLT looking very TBLT-ish.
TSP. CTEK. CLSK.
Hourly inside bar on TBLT.
TLRY.
Yeah, I mean, the hourly still looks okay. And that's what I was kind of talking about in my tweet the other day. Like, you're going to zoom out to the furthest possible trend line, and that's where you pick up the complete knives on these stocks. Still in play, though.
ADTX. MITQ.
They're actually pushing Redbox down into open. So Redbox down to around a support level, 920s. Overall, the pattern's kind of falling off for it. Still hanging around, but
CCL.
it's struggling. It's definitely losing its original power on the way up. This is almost on the way down move now.
MTNB.
B hat pulling lower, 340. pull up the hourly on that and see what we got. So 331's the 9 on the hourly. Some support. 339, 338 to 320.
PEV.
AC PEV could still hammer, but it's looking worse at the moment. Really starting to try to waterfall in the 5 minute here. Yeah, I'm not liking much at all. Have you guys had a good week? It was a short week, holiday week, but has it been decent? Couple runners.
IQ. NR. JAGX. PLTK.
That's our TBLT demand zone. I guess you could even move it up to 3, but I would keep it right here.
DNA. BVIG.
I wonder if I'm allowed to make Dr. Pepper and Powerade emojis for the chat whenever we get the partnership program and we actually get emojis and stuff for channel memberships. If they'll let me do that. I don't know if I have no idea about stuff like that. But I feel like we need a Powerade and Dr. Pepper emoji for the chat. It is vital to the chat. No, I have never tried that together. That sounds really bad. But did you know that the Baja Blast from Taco Bell is just blue Powerade and I think Mountain Dew?
TLRY.
So I have tried blue Powerade and Mountain Dew.
WKEY.
I think they actually released that as a combination now in stores. Baja Blast flavor.
GHSI.
You didn't know that? Yeah. Yeah.
BLTA.
I figured that out recently. I saw a video on it in an article or something that it's literally just Powerade and Mountain Dew. And I guess they're both, I think Powerade's Pepsi, right? Or is it Coke? Gatorade, no. So Powerade is Coke. So I think Gatorade might be owned by Pepsi. Or maybe it's its own thing, but Powerade's Coke. And I guess Mountain Dew might be Coke product too. I don't know. You would think they need to be on the same scale. That's what it's amounted to this morning. We are talking about combinations of Mountain Dew and Powerade to make Baja Blast. That's how good the market looks.
CLSK. GNLN.
Spy, more than likely, will have a green Friday. I'm not sure exactly why it's gapped up this much. It's got this monster gap to fill, but I don't think it'll do that today. Maybe 385 if it really gets going. But it could always, you know, have this green candle up today, and then Monday you get the gap down and we continue lower. So nothing has changed in the positive direction, I don't think. It is kind of funny. So I drew this a while back. This is while I was gone. This downtrend, which turned into this falling wedge, and this bottom trend line held perfectly. It's amazing how that works. So the trend line from here is actually the same bottom trend line from here. Oh no. Not again. How do I literally have no idea how to ban someone from the chat.
ENOB. PBTS. Neil.
I hit hide user in this channel. That might have worked. I don't know.
AHT.
Not naked HD. Oh my god. No.
Muds.
Oh my god.
CBD.
Bruh. I'm gonna need to make a... Who's down to be a moderator?
HYZN.
Who's gonna be here day in and day out to mod the chat? I'll make you a moderator right now.
MTEM. PLTK. NYMT.
Let me know if you're down. I'll make it right now. You want to, Bianca? There you go. So you should be able to like click the dots next to the people's name now and put the user in timeout and delete messages and stuff. And now you got a little moderator title. There you go. I give it to one more person if you want it. You want it, Potsy? All right.
XRT.
2 should be good for now. We're not getting anything crazy going on. But as the channel grows, I'll make more.
PLDR. GDXU.
You think you and Potsy can hold it down, Bianca? There we go. Nice. Reefer stocks. So if you don't know, MJ is the marijuana ETF. As you see, it's up 2% today, climbing. ACB is at $1.50. Oh my god. Oh my god. These things have died. CGC's at 370. Tilray at 370. Oh my god. What's even one over $10 anymore? Anything?
ABEO.
Cron? Oh my gosh. I'm blown away. There you go.
MJ.
There you go, Bianca and Potsy. Try it out.
Cody.
I feel like there's a way Hold on.
NBTA. iMac.
Now, I think there's got to be a way to ban users. Oh, you did a timeout? Okay. Okay, we're open. We're open, so we'll deal with that later. Let me switch over my scanners to open.
TBLT. RMT. RMT.
Okay.
Valley. ONON. BTAI. RBT. BTC.
B-Hat trying to push a little. TBLT trying to push a little. Nice. Good job, guys.
GNLN. JAGX.
GNLM, Penny.
MFGP.
Popping out of nowhere. B-Hat trying to push through the trend line, but wicking a little bit.
Rule. QK. NEPT. NGM.
Yeah, SPY at 381.4 right now. A little bit of a wick from high of day.
CLDL. VRCA. QURE. Even. LIZI. APRN. LIZI. GNLN.
TBLG trying to go intraday high here.
CBLG.
B-Hat pushed through, so 375, 380.
TBLT.
TBLT trying to push now 320. Okay, big wicks. B-Hat, fake out, breakout. So that's a big smash there on B-Hat. So that's ugly. You don't want to see that at all. TBLT.
NEPT. NETI. Valley.
TBLT looking decent. Never had a pullback though.
AGX. Rule. DEF. BNTC.
That's a trend break though.
PRN. NFJ. APRN. UPH. GNLN. DRMA. ISP.
Hold on 1 second.
FNGG. LRNC. PETV. BQ.
All right.
FNGG. FDNI. TPOR.
So TBLT is pretty much straight up right now. This one is not known to hold its gains at all, but the daily is so sold off that it could potentially go a little higher here. It looks like there's some resistance, 340 to 350.
TCON. GNLN. WBX.
PEV, yeah, PV. Let me pull that up. Yeah, PEV over 6. It's a big drop to hammer too. It's a little bit scary one. 10K bid prop here. 595.
CLDL. WEVL. API. NBX.
TBLT still pushing. So there's been no pullback or anything on TBLT right now. Straight up out of the gate. I'm usually not a fan of that. I don't like just chasing out the gate. Pet's a little bit of volume here. Needs through 3. Hammered from 260.
AHPI.
Yeah, Pav had a big hammer. Almost less of a hammer, more of just a straight up after open candle.
BAFN.
Never went 1 cent lower, really, after open. Straight up to 625.
PT. PFN.
Did B-Hat pull the trap?
SCWX. MBRX. MITQ.
Ooh,
PT.
B-Hat. Gosh, it's so ugly. Look at that action. You do not want to see that. That is horrendous action.
AEHR. API. Here. PRFX. CLDL. BERX. Haru.
MITQ pushing up a little bit. Had that share repurchase program.
WEBL. BTRS. CBLG. BNTC.
Big wick there.
SLE. TOP. ANIPPT. BRMK. BZFD. WKHS. GNLR. WEBL.
100K bid prop on TBLT.
LRB. SISI.
Tried to grab it when that came in and I missed it. I was on the other screen. So 100K bid prop came in right here. I was watching it to hold the 320 level. And as soon as that bid prop came in, it skipped higher. So as long as he's in there, it's good to go.
DTIL.
If he pulls or gets smashed, though, it's probably going down.
RKR.
So he's still there. 90K.
PLRX.
He can get smashed easy, though, with the volume of this stock.
NOAA. BNTC.
I'll pull up ADN over here.
GALT.
Yeah, ADN coming off the bottom. 240, 250 held. So there's a high day just barely on TBLT.
SDIG. ACLX. NLYG. Pet food.
Man, I can't chase it up here. I didn't want to take with a bid prop either. Usually if you enter just because of a bid prop, you're going to get destroyed.
WEBL.
So there was the 340 test. No 5-minute candles closed over 339. So it might show some resistance here. Anything else I'm missing? Where'd Redbox go? Okay, Redbox looks pretty tough right now. TBLT up to 339. I'm really surprised this thing's just going straight up. No even attempt of a small pullback. Had one candle touch 320 for a second. And that's it. Yeah, Redbox, huge red candle here.
OPRX.
Down to 915.
Pet food.
Yeah, SPY is at 382,
APRN.
but pulling back. Yep, they had a big boner stick at open to 383, but now pulling back. TBLT up through 340. Really no entries here at all.
PTLO. AACG. ABST.
Oh my gosh, huge breakout there.
SVET. GGR.
There's no risk reward to this though. This is just buy high, sell higher right now. There was one tiny pullback, and that was it. We don't chase here. We do not chase. Absolutely not.
LPTX.
And as you see, it hit 367. Now it's under 340.
GTH. MITQ.
So that was the blow off move that the shorts were looking for to load in. MITQ pushing higher.
OGCP, CRDF. VCLO.
Rev again? I'm not hearing Rev on the scanner for some reason. But yeah, Rev straight up. You are correct.
CHRA.
750 seems to be a big level for Rev.
AOMR, rule. PRFX. GNLN. CCL, PMD. Valley, IRN. SWZ. PRPO.
That would have been a normal breakout I would have taken right there. I just don't trust breakouts, and I've missed the whole week, so I'm not hopping into something that looks like it's going to break out because breakouts have just been complete fake outs lately. But that's a big push there through 750 to 765. About 30K in ask up near 770. But yeah, Rep straight up right now. Red box straight down off a cliff. TBLT still trying. It's making higher lows on the 5. Daily has a lot of room. Next level, I guess, would be 375 to 4. It's up 100%. So let me see where it closed at yesterday and calculate the 120%. So 174. So 383 is 120% on TBLT. 383. Every time it tries to go to a new high, though, it drops 10 cents. So
STG. ISRC. Lex. MITQ. LFLY. ELDN. CLDL. RCEL. CAPD. CLDL. GNLN.
AMC's trying to break higher here.
ELDN. MJ.
SPY is pushing. See if they can push through 1240. Yeah. If something happens too slow, I'm just gonna roll out. Yeah, Redbox for real. I didn't even understand why it went as much as it did. It was just the trap set up. They had that acquisition news to where the shorts just loaded in, and then they just squeezed them. That's all it was. Yeah, I think they're moving based on SPY now. AMC and GameStop. Definitely got no patience this morning, though. Just because I had to have no feel for the action at all. So TBLT has a tweezer top right now on the 5, 365. BNTC out of thin air went straight up and halted. I don't think that had any news at all. Nope, no news at all, so just a pump. 400K volume.
NMTC. CPSH. TBLT, BTCS, AYRO, Heads, BCB, PRSO, Fray, GNLN, IRN,
All right. BNTC, yeah, straight up. Sorry, I was going to ban that person from the chat. TBLT pushed higher there.
HIBL,
Straight up still. Still no pullback really at all. Touched the 9 on the 1 for a second.
YTWEVL,
We're at the 120% mark now with another tweezer top, but now in the 1 minute.
Away, ISDR,
AMC still pushing higher. It's the only pushing with SPY though, so
UVOT,
it's acting like a large cap today, but it is straight up.
TBLT,
I'm gonna stay on for like 5-10 more minutes, and then I gotta go get ready to go to that doctor's appointment. Yeah, I would like a pullback on TBLT. Once it broke this pattern I had drawn, I mean, broke straight up and out. But I mean, at open, absolutely no pullback, straight up, and then up, up, up. Just higher and higher, no pullback, no levels.
LRNZ,
And this is all because they closed their offering.
Mir Plus,
So,
Cars, MGM, TBLT, REVG,
BNTC, big refresh on the ask at 130. TBLT 390 now, 395. Absolute straight up.
Grapple, SWAR,
Yeah, I'm looking for an entry, Bianca. I don't even see anything on the 1 minute. It is just straight up.
BNKU,
Buy high, sell higher, I guess.
SGLY, PHIO, Galt, SY,
Yeah, the volume 60 million already. Ponytail trading. Yeah, buy high, sell higher. Yep. I'm adding them out. And it's on delay, so he's still saying adding while he's already out on the YouTube. So
HGD, GOED, HGTY,
Only one sale away from the Shopify
MSOS,
1000 Club.
ATOS,
Have a cookie.
I'll take one.
CDZI, Theme,
SPY, Hive Day.
You should.
Absolutely ripping today.
Set this
HC,
up on Shopify. It's easy.
I always knew you could build your own business.
Guys,
Yum.
when you're ready to bring your idea to life, build it
GNLN,
on Shopify.
Sign up for a free 14-day trial at shopify.com/listen22.
TMC.
Shopify.com/listen22.
Okay, it's pulling back a little bit now, finally. TBLT pulling back. Had a wick down to 365 quickly.
OTRK, Sond, TMC, TENX, DLPN.
Trying a little AMC with SPY absolutely ripping.
SNTI. Bets.
But it'll hold 1250 here. Watch it flush below though.
USD.
SPY is on a ripper. Yep, there you go. Push lower. Of course. So AMC 1 minute breakdown now with SPY pushing high of day. So opposite there.
BSIG.
Complete opposite. Flushing. Wow. Big flush on SPY high of day. So you love to see that.
HEPA. SRGA. MSOS.
TBLT on the 1 minute. Down to the 9.
OGI. APM. APTO. BCEL. APCN.
Yeah, SPY is still ripping. But AMC decided to just completely go the opposite way now. So TBLT, red candle here on the 1. Coming down to the 9 on the 1.
ATCO. OP. MMAT. FNKO. VRAR. CIDM.
Refresh of the ask at 376.
DNA Plus. EWCO. Psi. SUNW. PETV.
Okay, double bottom on the 1 here. So I'm going to rest 365.
OTRK.
Still trying to get smashed.
ATNX.
Wow. Full fail of that. So literally every single setup that I've taken today has failed through. That's amazing.
APM.
That is amazing.
AM.
So that's how it is sometimes. I mean, the way that this market is, things do not react the way that they've reacted for the past 5 years. So
RPHM.
you get double bottoms, they break. You get patterns, they fail. But I mean, somewhere you just try to find a scalp in there that you can take and take a small win on.
TSPQ Plus. CNET. PEB.
So TBLT in straight sell-off mode now, through the 9 on the 1, through the double bottom, through the 20 on the 1. Yeah, rev straight up.
TPOR. AHT. FMET. MRAM. GNLN. GOCO. FF. UBOT.
Any PT close they're offering too. Yeah, looks okay.
CLO.
Flagging a little bit, needs over like 185. But this is the action that I expected coming back to, really. Didn't expect anything more.
LTRX. MS.
Same basically as when I left. Fake breaks, trap moves,
RKLY Plus.
full fails, etc. But yeah, any PT looks okay. It doesn't have much volume at all right now.
TNB. Cato. GNLN.
TBLT, monster pullback. So at 350 now.
CPTN.
Rev is extremely volatile.
PTE. HPP. RHE. GOCO. TRYP. VTOL. LIXT. TNON. RUE. CPSH. PLBY. BITQ. DNA Plus. PET. VU.
Yeah, NEPT got a little bit of volume there. I'm not sure why it bounced that much on that little volume, but it did. The ask is very thin.
HTZWW.
SPY still pushing higher. AMC still pushing lower. Rev extremely volatile. You could be down 20, 30 cents in a heartbeat on Rev.
BNKU. BNTNTC. HAP. PT. BNTNTC. DSS. FFH. RAAS.
All right, so I don't see much right now. A couple things are set up, but that's about it. I am going to go ahead and hop off. We got to go to that appointment for the baby this morning. But I will be back Monday. Thanks, everybody, for being here. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for hanging out the whole time with me, the comments, everything. Appreciate you being here. And I'm going to call it a day, and I will see you guys on Monday morning. Have a great weekend, guys. See ya.
MDGS.